Hi, I'm Kevin Coulston, and I want to thank you for visiting my channel. For those of you that don't already know me, I am an author, illustrator, and cartoonist. I'm known as the creator of many series such as Alexis and the T-Rexes, Dylan McVillain, The Adventures of a 4th Grade Space Captain, and a bunch of other stuff I can't even remember. Most importantly though, I have created several art activity books, which is what the drawing tutorials on this channel are based on. You can check out my How to Draw series and my Traced and Color series over at firstartbooks.com. A lot of these videos are just character designs that I pulled straight out of my own books, but occasionally I do a fan art series here on this channel, which you can find in my playlists. If there's a favorite character of yours that you'd like to see me draw, drop a comment in this video or any video on the channel and I'll do my best to get to it. Be sure to check out my drawing books at firstartbooks.com. They're fun and affordable activity books that make great gifts, and since they're all on Amazon, you can get them in just 2 days with Prime shipping. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of my daily drawing videos, and let's draw.